a better way to get quad facilitation and quad strength than doing E-stim and doing goofy exercises. So I'm going to show you how you can, with your post-op ACLs, post-op total knees, or just patellofemoral patients, get more strength, more facilitation in a fraction of the time that it takes you to do E-stim, and you get longer lasting results. So let's first, with our post-op ACL patient here, get a baseline measurement of force output with a handheld dynamometer. Go, 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 go. Good. So she starts with 26.6 foot-pounds of pressure. So the amount of time it takes you to walk across the room, grab the E-stim machine, set it up, do all that stuff, I'm going to be done doing this, and I'm going to get increases in strength and facilitation that you're probably not going to get with your E-stim. So we're going to retest. Go, 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 go. Good. So we went from 26.6 to 36.9 in about 10 seconds. Now, why aren't you doing that with your post-op knees and your knee patients instead of wasting your time doing E-stim with exercises when you could do this in a fraction of the time